Hello guys, this is Artnil Gaming and I just pushed to Ultimate League in my main account. I've been playing Clash Royale for 7 years and I'm the leader of my clan, which is Morningstar. And I've used this deck to get 23 consecutive wins. As you can see in my battle log, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. See, 21 wins. And continue to counting this other battle using another deck. So guys, for those who want to see more Clash Royale content or Clash Royale live stream, please follow Artnil Gaming. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your grind. Bye-bye.